Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna share an easy evening snack recipe which can be either made or served as a munching snack with tea or coffee. So though it looks like a twister, you can name it as a twister snack. So let's move on to the recipe. So for that, here I have taken 1.5 cup of rava or semolina, and to that add half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of red paprika, and half teaspoon of salt. And now combine all these dry ingredients very well and add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and mix well. When all the ingredients are well combined, add half a cup of water and form a soft dough. And now take a small portion of the dough and twist like this using a fork. Make all such twisters using the dough. And now heat the pan, add oil enough to deep fry. When the oil gets heated, add all the twisters and deep fry them until golden and crisp. And our twisters has changed its color to golden brown. Now it's the time to take out. So guys, do try it out. It's very simple evening snack. I'm sure that your kids will love the recipe. So guys, do try it out and give your feedbacks. So see you with another simple recipe. Until then, bye bye, take care.